1. Aipower Wearbuds. Have you ever thought about having earbuds and a fitness tracker all in just one device? So, these wearbuds are the perfect combination of true wireless earbuds and a fitness tracker. They are the world's first true wireless hi-fi earbuds that can be charged on your wrist without an extra charging case. Now, how good are they? So, they feature flawless audio streaming with the advanced Qualcomm aptX chipset and Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the latest technology for Bluetooth. Some of the features this Futurama-looking piece of device has is that it can count your steps and track your calories burned. It also helps you monitor your heart rate and sleep patterns. And it's also waterproof. You can find this product on Amazon for around $160, which is a pretty good price considering that it's both a fitness tracker and a pair of earbuds. Number 10. HP Sprocket 200. This portable printer is the size of a smartphone, so you can take it anywhere with you, to parties, to barbecues, to gatherings, and take lots of pictures with your friends and family. How it works is that you have the HP Sprocket app, which uses Bluetooth, and then you can just print your smartphone and social media photos through the app. And there you go, a perfect photo in seconds. You can connect multiple people and print at the same time. Also, with the HP Sprocket app, you can customize your photos before printing them. So you can add filters, borders, and stickers. It's a really cool way to personalize your photos and make it the way you want it to be. You can find it on Amazon for around $120. Number 9. LEROU. Now you might be wondering, what the hell is this thing? Is that the thing from Black Mirror that makes the guy thinks that he's seen a giant spider? No, LEROU is a new robotic head massager that helps you relieve stress and relax whenever you need to. It can help you release tension and calm your mind after a hard day. So yeah, it's a head massager, guys. When using it, you will truly feel as if someone is massaging your temples. It's incredible. It stimulates you to be sleepy and ultimately improve your sleep quality, which a lot of people want to. This product claims to really change the way you sleep and relax. Also, listen to this. It has an ergonomically adjustable head ring, silicone massage head material, and a battery that lasts for 3 hours. So you will be very relaxed after using this for 3 hours. It's available on Indiegogo for $179. Number 8. Oyo Nova Gym. Have you ever wanted to use the technology that space astronauts use? Well, Oyo Nova Gym is a full portable gym that you can take anywhere with you. This strength training gym uses the Spiroflex technology designed for NASA, so you can work out at home, in the office, and while traveling, basically anywhere. How it works is that this product replicates weight resistance, which feels smooth and linear like free weights without the weight or momentum. It simulates up to 40 pounds of weight resistance and it folds up, so you can put it in your bag and take it anywhere with you. This high-tech device utilizes nylon-coated cables and stainless steel, making sure that the product is durable and extremely resistant. It was designed to be durable under high-resistance loads. So yeah, there you go. Why don't you upgrade from those resistance bands and get the Oyo Nova Gym? You can do up to 100 exercises, and it's available on Kickstarter now for $149. Number 7. Cololight Smart LED Panel. This smart LED panel is the perfect light to create any mood you want. Cololight is a decorative ambient light system supporting split joint and color changing. With 60 million colors to choose from, you can create gorgeous effects that can transform the atmosphere in any room instantly. No hub is required to use Cololight. Simply control it directly through the app, and you can choose from different color selections and dynamic ranges and customize it the way you want it. Cololight is also very cool because you can remaster your music into animated displays of color and light. Using your phone's mic, you just connect it to Cololight, and Cololight can intelligently change along with the music that's being played, so it's perfect for party lights and gaming lights. Also, you can connect it to your Google Assistant and Alexa devices, meaning that you can turn Cololight on and off just by using the voice commands. Cololight is available on Amazon for around $79. Number 6. SYOSIN cable holder. Have you ever wanted something to keep your cables from getting entangled and also keeping your desktop clean? This product is the magnetic cable organizer that will keep your cables free from entanglement and get rid of a cluttered desktop. It is compatible with all kinds of cables and the cable diameter is less than 6 mm. I am one who likes to keep my desktop organized, so SYOSIN cable holder is suitable for most charging line sizes and it's easy to operate and install. This convenient product has the 3M adhesive, which can be attached to wood, metal, plastic and glass. This beautiful and sleek cable organizer comes in 2 colors and it is made of smooth and durable wood. You can find it on Amazon for $11.99. Number 5. DRUMI portable washing machine. Now this one is an interesting one because DRUMI is the world's first foot-powered washing machine. It requires no electricity, it is fast, effective and better for the environment. Because no installation is required, DRUMI keeps you clean wherever you take it. The sleek and compact design is tailored to fit in any living space. Its handle and lid are easy to use so you can wash your clothes and activewear whenever you want. You just need to use between 6 to 12 liters of water depending on the usage, add the detergent, close the lid and that's it. You can start stepping on the foot handle. DRUMI weighs around 8.5 kilos and it is built to wash up to 2 kilos of clothes in 5 to 10 minutes. Its removable drum makes it even easier to clean. You can also spin dry all of your delicates in under 30 seconds. This innovative and green product is available on their website for $349. Number 4. Shuffle AirPods Pro Case. This retro-looking AirPods Pro case will bring you back to the days of the iPod Shuffle. Do you guys remember that? So, this case by Spigen has this classic-inspired design for a timeless look. It is made of a soft silicone layer for scratch resistance and air cushion technology to absorb the initial shock. It comes with an adhesive tape for additional support and a carabiner so you can take it anywhere with you and show it off to your friends. The case also allows you to charge your AirPods Pro wirelessly. This one is a classic, so bring back the old times and take it back to the classic. You can find it on Amazon for only $17. Number 3. Clicbot Educational Robot. This robot sure looks like it's something from the future. Clicbot is a family robot that can be used to help kids and adults learn something new. It was designed by an award-winner designer and has more than 200 interactions available. You can take up to different shapes and play games. The beauty of this robot is that Clicbot teaches kids how to code in an easy and enjoyable way, from beginner to advanced levels. You can program it to do whatever you want or simply record its actions so it will do it on command. So, as a modular and easy to assemble robot, Clicbot can take on wheels, become a robotic arm and much more. It is built on smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right off the box, Clicbot comes with 50 pre-designed robots that you can assemble right away. Your imagination is the limit as you can create thousands of combinations. Clicbot is by far one of the most futuristic looking gadgets on our list. It also comes with Clicbot Academy, which is an app that teaches you how to easily code and use your robot. You can also be part of the Clicbot community. This robot is also compatible with Python, so you can take it to the next level. You can pre-order it now on Indiegogo for $549. Number 2. Side-by-side travel tech pouch. If you have been looking for a travel tech pouch for your cables and gadgets, look no more. Side by Side easily stores all of your power cables, USB chargers, extension cords, adapters, plugs, hard disks, and everything in just one place while you are on the go. Its sturdy travel case keeps your valuable electronics accessories safe and protected while optimizing your bag space. It is well padded, equipped with side storage slots, mesh pocket, and a secret pocket. Its indestructible design is built for rough handling, so this pouch will last you for a lifetime. It also features a military-grade number 8 zipper and stretchable outer layer that expands. This product was initially backed on Kickstarter, however you can find it now on Amazon for only $39. Number 1. Feelbelt. This is the closest thing we have right now to that suit that gamers wear in Ready Player One. This innovative product will take your gaming and music listening experience to the next level. Dive into your favorite games, movies, and music deeper than ever before. Feelbelt brings back that haptic impact to your body for every virtual experience. It's an electronic belt that makes you feel the sounds of the music, video game, or movie you are experiencing. It promises to revolutionize every listening experience by transmitting impulses on the largest sensory organ of the human body, the skin. It lets you feel every sound, every pitch, and every frequency between 1 to 20,000 Hz. It has 10 innovative pulse generators you can connect with via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack. You can find the Feelbelt right now on Kickstarter for around $220, and it's gonna revolutionize the way you listen to sounds.